Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do example number 1. So step 1 is to convert the mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. So the mixed number is 1 and 1/4. So we have to convert that. So in order to do that, remember, we multiply the 1 times the 4, which is 4, and then we add this 1 to have our new numerator. So this 1 and 1/4 becomes 5 and 1/4. So now we can multiply. So now we change 1/3 times 5/4. Now we just simply multiply across. So 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 4 is 12. We look to see if we can divide a number into 5 and into 12. Usually we start with 2 and then go to 3. I know I can't divide anything into 5 that I can divide into 12. So this 5/12 is my answer.